Hello girls and guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to RoboThought Zero to Hero series of Python coding on Jetson Nano. Now we are on lesson number 80 and I am going to show you how to remove an item from the dictionary, right? So basically, let's open the existing Python file by name, whatever we created. I think it's dict.py, and let's use the terminal command and I will show you with some example. Let's do some coding, guys. All right, nano dict.py. All right, let me delete this code. Okay, now let's say this dictionary. Okay, curly bracket. Okay, now let's create a brand. Brand is Ford, comma, and then the model with a double quote is what was the model? Mustang. Model is Mustang, and separate with the comma, and the year, what was the year, is say 1942, 43, whatever. You can just give any value. Close it with a curly bracket, and then this dict. All right guys, now this is where I'm going to show you how to remove an item right from the dictionary. A method called pop, pop, dot pop. Okay, and then with a round bracket, let's remove, what do we remove from this? Say model. Model inside a double quote. All right, and then close the bracket. Now print this dict. Okay, all right, so you learned a new thing, dot pop. Control O, enter, Control X. Okay, Python 3 dict.py. Where is it? It's gone. The model is gone, guys. Where is Mustang? It's gone. Okay, it's as simple as that, guys. So you have learned about a new method or a function called .pop, right? So that's basically to remove certain item from the dictionary, from Python dictionary. All right guys, I hope you are enjoying. Do leave a comment below and give me a thumbs up, and I'm going to get back to you soon. Bye bye.